everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. I'll be showing you how to enable 7TV emotes on your Twitch channel so you can be able to express yourself as well your chatters be expressing their mood to you during your streams. It's gonna be fun. So the first thing you do is you open your browser. I'll open my browser right now, and you'll be going ahead and typing in these words. You'll be typing in on your search engine if you want to 7TV app. So you go ahead and look that up if you like to. So the first link right now is 7TV. There it is, 7TV right here. So click on that. Now you basically got on the home page. Now you have the one emote platform from all. So basically this is it. So go ahead and get yourself the extension if you have to. I'd go ahead and go for the stable release. But if you have Kick or something like that, you might as well get the nightly release right now because that's the only supported Kick support on this platform. So if you need to, you gotta get this then. I highly recommend you to try the nightly if you have to. Stable is okay, but Chatterino is better, you know, Chatterino right here. But if you got mobile apps right here for just in case. If you got mobile phones, this is it right here, so you might as well take these. Alright, so go ahead and press the sign in button right up here. You press that sign in right there, and go ahead and press this. Go ahead and authorize it right there. Press it. There we go. And now it should redirect you to the 7TV homepage. There we go. And now we on here. So first things first, what you gotta do is you gotta go onto this panel here. Make sure your account is linked up right here. No emote sets yet. Alright, no problem. Make a new emote set, and we'll go ahead and select that, and then we're just gonna have actually, never mind. Let's go ahead and go to emotes. Let's just add one anyways. I actually want to look up a funny emote, okay? I want to look up XQC because he's kind of funny, right? Like, you got me. You got me, right? That emote. I might as well take this and press use emote. Now we got ourselves an emote set, so you can create your set right away if you want to, but it's gonna default you to do this. So go ahead and just say, okay, create emote set. Go ahead and do that. There you go. Now we're gonna make sure we refresh. All right, cool. Got myself 600 slots. So wow, 7TV is really giving you 600 emotes to start playing with. Oh, that's juicy. That's juicy. No problem. Press use emote. Go ahead and click this. Now here's a cool thing you can do. So these emotes can be renamed too. So what you got is you got chatters out there and they don't realize they're gonna be using 7TV. So what can you do to do a little funny? Alright, let me show you. You go here and press this little button right here, and then you go ahead and name it right here, right? Go ahead and do this. I'll just go ahead and name it Cocked if you want to. Cocked. There, renamed. So when people just say the word caught, it'll pop up. So let's go ahead, and I'll go ahead and go over here into this juicy home page right here. Let's go over here and in here, and then we'll look up the 7TV emote we enabled, right? Caught. There you go. So when you say the word caught, the emote pops up. There you go. You got yourself one emote. Oh, that's so juicy. I love these emotes. But what if there's somebody that you were watching and you just want their emotes? You want to look at their emotes and, you know, get a little bit of that scoop they're having, right? You want to get some of that mint chocolate ice cream they got too? Me too. I want some of that mint. And so I would take it, granted, right? So look up XQC if you want. In my example here, I'm gonna get XQC real quick. Alright, so here it is. They got their Halloween set coming up. They got their Kick emote set and all this. See, look at that. They have a ton of editors on their channel. So you can also add editors to your own 7TV as well. So you can be able to have people to be adding emotes for you and removing emotes whenever they feel like it. So they will show up in logs from below here on the activity feed if they need to make sure that everyone's actually doing work or not. So go ahead and get the Gamba emote. I'll get Gamba emote. I might as well add it to my channel. Now it pops up in here. If things are being added and being removed, they will show up on this chat. They will show up in this chat. So anyone in chat can see that right now. So if somebody has an 7TV extension, if I remove something from this, it will show up there too. So people can see what you're removing and adding onto this emote channel, so they can basically catch up to date on, oh, let me just use this call emote again because it's funny, right? Or caught trolling, right here, my favorite right here, caught trolling, this is you, right? This is you, so you right now, you got caught trolling, dog, right? So basically now, you're able to express your emotes with your friends, and and basically do what you want, you spam it if you want to, look at this, and I think I basically showed you how to basically add and rename, remove emotes, and be able to show you what the activity feed looks like from the other perspective of people's channels. So you're basically you're able to click their name right here, and you can basically see the activity feed here too. So people can check out your Twitch channel. They can basically add and remove things right here, and you can basically see that. They can see that. They can see these logs no matter what. So yeah, is 7TV worth it? Absolutely, because when you subscribe, you're able to get these name tag paints and show off your subscriber badge right now. So you're able to show off how cool and neat you are with your name, and be able to show off that you stand out and you actually do matter, right? So that's pretty good. I think you guys be able to like this. I think you would love this. You'd mess with this all day. I'd love to see you guys play around with these 7TV emotes on your Twitch channel. So basically, give 7TV a try if you haven't. That's basically the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like. And if you enjoy my content, you want to see more of this tutorials or any of the streams or whatever, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do stream on Twitch from time to time here and there, but I'm not gonna lie, it'll be on the description. So I'm trying to catch up on them streams. Don't worry. I'm trying to get some videos out here too if I can. So feel free to, do what you want with your 7TV. If I were you guys, I would definitely go check Chatterino out and basically do what you can with that, and then be able to fully customize your chat client the way you want. But guess what? I'm gonna make another tutorial on that if you enjoyed this video. So please leave a like, subscribe if you want to. All right, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Hope this tutorial helped you.